guys, welcome to this channel. If you're new to this channel, I say welcome to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to this channel as well. In this video today, I'll be teaching you how to earn $60 every hour with this single website. So make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you won't miss any part of this video. This is a full video of how to earn from anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world you can do this and make your money. All you have to do is just to complete some simple task and you make money. And I have done a lot of videos on how to make money online doing simple tasks, and a lot of people do ask me that does this really work. I want you to know that before I upload any videos, I do a thorough research. Is what I'm doing most of the times, is what I've tried and it has worked for me before. I've seen other people who this also is working for before I do my video. So don't just watch this video without taking action. Make sure you watch this video to the very end and take action immediately you watch this video. So if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, if you're in US, if you're in Canada, anywhere you are in the world, you can try this and you can make your money. You can make your money. You can earn $60 every hour with this single website. All you have to do is just to watch the entire video, watch the process, watch the entire video, see how I'm doing it, and so that you can do the same. Watch the entire process through this video and go and do the same So without further ado, let's get to the video right away. My name is Samuel, and this channel you are now is OnllineMaster. I make videos around making money online and how to build a profitable business online. If you're interested in this, make sure you subscribe right now to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like this video. Please like this video and share this video to your friend as well. I want you to comment down. Just comment if you are going to try this after this video. Let me know in the comment section, so if you are really ready to start this immediately. So now let's go to the video. As I said earlier, that this is for anybody who wants to make money online. If you're interested in making money online, so ensure you watch this video to the very end, because this is a simple and the simplest way to make money anywhere you are in the world. It doesn't matter where you are, whether you're in Nigeria, whether you are in UK, anywhere you are, you can make a lot of money doing this. You can make a lot of money doing this simple task that I want to show you right now. So before I tell you the website, let me tell you what you need. These are all what you need. So it is for anybody who wants to make money online. If you are interested in making money online, this is for you. Before I continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. This is what I will use to determine if I will make more videos on this topic. So I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment and share this video to your friends as well, because a lot of people finding it difficult to make money from themselves. But if you are sharing this video to them, that means you are helping them solving that problem of being broke. So you have to share this video to your friend as well. So like this video as well. So now to the video. These are the requirements. So what do you need? First of all, you need your smartphone. So, and I'm sure because you are watching this video right now, it means that you have a smartphone or you have a system. So you can do this either you have a smartphone or you have a system or a laptop. It's not compulsory you have a system. Or with your smartphone, you can make this money doing this simple task. So the next thing that you need right now is you need data. Yes, you need data. You are watching this video right now because you have data. So you also need data to work, and you need time. You need to put in some little time, and you need to create a PayPal account. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, don't worry, just relax, because in the description box of this video I will insert a link there for you to go and watch the video on how to create a verified PayPal account in Nigeria or in Ghana or in any other African countries that PayPal account has been restricted, and create your own PayPal account and start working. And now you don't need skill to start this. You don't need skill. All you have is to watch this video to the very end and learn how I'm doing it. And make sure you subscribe to this channel right now, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like this video, share this video as well, and it is free to start. You don't need to invest anything to start right now. So let me go to my phone and explain in full details how you are going to do this, how you are going to achieve this, and to accumulate more than $60 per hour with this single website. Join me right now on my phone. Now on the website, I will show you how to make money with the website. The name of the website is Pico Workers. What they do is that they combine freelancers and business owners together. So through completing simple tasks online, you can make a lot of money with this website. Ensure you watch this video to the very end. Don't just know the website and go away. Watch this video to the very end, because I will be showing you how to sign up and how to make money. Everything you need to know, the do's and don'ts of the website. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. You have to click on sign up button. So after clicking on sign up button, put your real name, put your email, and put your password. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Also, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment down and share this video. For me to know that you are following this video, just type make money online in the comment section of this video. Now it is time to input your password. Put your password and note your password. Confirm your password. So after that, you have to sign up with the account. You have to create a new account. So now you have to put, you also be asked to put your nickname. Put your nickname. If you are new to this channel, on this channel I make videos about making money online and how to build a profitable business online. If this interests you, ensure you smash on the subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Also, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video and comment under this video. Also follow me on my social medias account. Connect with me on WhatsApp. You will find the link in the description of this video. Now you need to select if you want to work, if you want to be a worker or you want to be an employer. So I want to be a worker. So you select I want to be a worker. You want to be a worker. So you agree to their terms and conditions because you want to work. You don't want to employ, and you can, if you want to employ people, you can choose that. But on as far as this video is concerned, you want to be a worker. So click on worker and can you see? So you'll be sent a link on your email. You'll be sent a link on your email. Go to your email and click the link in your email to confirm your account. So that will help you to activate your account. Can you see? So now we have activate our account. So these are the rules, these are their community rules. So ensure you go through all these rules. There are 10 rules and they are important, because if you don't go through these rules, you might be banned from the website. So make sure you go through these rules. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, take a minute to subscribe to this channel right now. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your friend. Share this video to your friend as well. So after that, think of your first 25 tasks like a job interview. Please do your work carefully, not rush. So you don't have to rush. Make sure you focus on achieving a 100% certified rating. Can you see? So these are what you must do before you, if you want to work with the website. So just click on agree. I agree. So after reading their terms and conditions, click on I agree. So these are tons of projects that you can work on. Can you see that this is a new account? So we are having 0 earning, we are having pending balance is 0 and our main balance is also 0. So now these are the most recent job that we can do. So can you see SEO plus promote content, swag balls add extension? Can you see SEO promote content? 200 people have completed that. Can you see? Can you see as I'm scrolling? So it has a lot of jobs that you can do and complete with simple time and make a lot of money with that. So can you see this one is giving us 40 cents? We have the one with 30 cents. We have the one with 25 cents. 25 cents. We have 0.30 cents, 0.40 cents, 0.80 cents, and so on and so forth. So this website is full of offers, it's full of jobs that you can do. You can as well refer your friend to this platform. So when you refer your friend to this platform, you will earn a commission. You will get paid on any person you will bring to the website. So here is your affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link. I will have to copy the affiliate link. So I get 5% of what the person that I refer withdraw after the person has made money. So you can come here and read through the affiliate offer and affiliate terms and condition too. So after that, we proceed to the next thing. So now it is time to upload your profile picture. Upload your picture. Yes, you need to upload your picture. Also put your real name, put your display name and your date of birth. Input your date of birth here. So if you have not liked this video, just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. The affiliate program, so I've come to the affiliate program the other time, I've checked that. So now, can you see you have my task, wallet, my account ranking, support ticket, and so on and so forth. So this is where any task you finish will appear. Any task you finish will appear on this page. So you can come to the withdraw. If you have withdraw any money, that also will appear on this stage, on this page. Now list you belongs. So these are the list of your downlines, the person you refer. So their list will appear on this page as well. So you can come to Pico Workers documentation and read the overview, the authentication, and so on and so forth. So to know more about that, just go through the website and read more about that. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and also share this video to your friend as well. Watch this video to the very end so that you won't miss any part of this video. So now, can you see you can activate this receive periodic email? So about me section, so you have to add your title, add your about me, just write something about yourself, your hobby. So all these things will determine the task or the job that this website will give to you. So by knowing that, they will know the what you can do, the task you can complete. So they will position the exact simple task that you can do in your profile. So before you can make money with your website, you have to put your gender, put your date. I said that the other time, and you have to put security question. Security question help you to make your account well secured, so that anybody won't have access to your account. Security question is simple. All you have to do is to think of any question. All you have to do is to think of any question that you can answer, then put an answer to it. So when you put an answer to the question, then you click on save. Now let's check the work that we have here. So can you see you have to complete this work? So it says go to this https bit.ly so and so. So this is the direction of the job. All you have to do is just to read all this, the terms and condition, everything the person wants us to do. So when we read that, after we read that, then we complete it. These are the required proof. You have to put the required proof is your swag boss username and so forth and so on. Can you see we have a lot of jobs that you can complete with this simple website? Don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos when it drops. I make videos around making money online and how to build a profitable business online. So if this interests you, subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop those videos. What is expected from you to complete? So just click on the link. So when you click on that link, follow the instruction the person asks us to do. So he asks us to download this ebook. So after we have downloaded this ebook, I think we have to complete some surveys. So let me know if it is what I can do right now, or if it will take time. I will leave it because I don't want this video to be too long. So these are the surveys we have to complete. So it will give us some questions to complete. So just answer the question and complete that. Then it will bring another page that you have to go to complete the task. So after that, then you go back and put screenshot of what the person requests from us, So that is it about these websites. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I post videos about making money online. Subscribe. See you in the next video.